happened?
I don't know, but I'm really hungry. We should go to Dairy Queen and get a blizzard before the weather gets bad.
Before the weather gets bad?
Yeah, everyone around school has been talking about something about a blizzard.
Not that type of blizzard. Blizzard for incoming freshmen.
Well, I just moved here a few months ago. I have no idea what that is.
Well, it's gonna be a blast. Let me give you a quick rundown. Bonnie's coming!
Okay, well now that Bonnie's gone, tell me more about Blizzard.
So, as I mentioned before, Blizzard takes place April 16th from 1:30 to 5:15.
Do I just show up?
No, you're gonna receive a permission slip from your teachers, and it's due back by March 13th.
So what do you do at Blizzard?
So Blizzard basically is a high school experience without exactly going to high school.
That sounds like so much fun. I can't wait.
It is fun. I'm glad you're excited.
Oh no. He's coming.
And don't forget to bring your toys.
Carl. I'm KJ.
I'm Rayven.
I'm Ashleigh.
And I'm Karelly, and we're your 2020 Blizzard Emcees.
We hope you enjoyed our skit, and we can't wait to meet you at Blizzard in 2020. And don't forget,
To infinity and beyond!